Caution, plants that shouldn't be water sprayed. Hello everyone. Today in this video, we're going to talk about plants that are sensitive to being water sprayed. Did you know that some plants are more sensitive to water spraying? Improper watering can lead to problems such as fungal diseases, sunburn, and leaf damage. So if you're like me and love indoor plants, be sure to watch this video to learn about these issues. So be sure to watch the video and use this information to help your plants thrive and enjoy seeing them grow. African violets are generally sensitive to direct water spraying on their leaves and may develop fungal diseases. Some species of lilies are also sensitive to water spraying, especially if water remains on the flowers, which can lead to sunburn. Calantra plants like calancha with fleshy leaves are also sensitive to water spraying and may develop moisture-related issues. Brazilian spider plant. This plant requires moderate watering, and excessive water on its leaves can lead to damage. Anthurium. Anthurium leaves usually contain water well, so direct water spraying on them should be avoided to prevent moisture-related problems. This plant is sensitive to drastic changes in humidity. So direct water spraying on it can lead to leaf problems. Zamioculcas, it is suggested to avoid spraying zamioculcas for several reasons. One, excessive spraying with water from your hand might lead to overwatering the plant, causing damage. Two, zamioculcas require strong air circulation after spraying to prevent fungal issues. Without proper ventilation, the plant may become susceptible to fungal infections. Three, the plant's minimal requirement for leaf spraying is once a month, coupled with fertilization. Exceeding this amount is unnecessary and may do more harm than good. Sansevieria. Do not spray Sansevieria. Sansevierias are more prone to fungal infections than any other plant. Their leaves have a fleshy texture, and when water sits on them for an extended period without being cleaned, the thin layer on the leaves deteriorates. This thin layer secretes a sticky substance that becomes a breeding ground for fungi and can ultimately be fatal to the plant. Cactus AGR. Cacti require abundant light for growth and survival, sometimes even direct sunlight, as they are resilient to it. However, spraying cacti with water can be detrimental. If a cactus is placed under sunlight and sprayed with water, water droplets act like a magnifying glass and can burn the surface layer of the plant. Cacti are not quick to heal, and their fungal effects can persist for years without being resolved. Acting a cactus, it's essential to have fungicide like mancozeb and amino acid fertilizer in your home as part of its initial care. Therefore, it's advised not to water a newly acquired cactus until you have sufficient experience, rather than treating it like other plants by watering it immediately. yucca and Draken family. Yucca, despite its sturdy leaves, doesn't appreciate being sprayed with water. It can cause the tips of its leaves to droop, or in simpler terms, develop leaf bending. Or even during watering, try to water around the plant and avoid watering the plant stem directly. Due to their high resilience, yucca plants are popular choices in most lobby and indoor designs nowadays. They are suitable for those seeking low maintenance plants. Broadleaf privet, also known as desert privet, shares similarities with sansevieria in terms of its fleshy and soft leaves. It thrives in moist soil conditions and dislikes being sprayed with water, as it can lead to fungal infections on its leaves. Schlumbergera. If you keep your schlumbergera plant outdoors on a staircase or in open space, you can occasionally spray it. In fact, spraying can enhance the plant's vitality. However, when your plant is indoors, you should avoid spraying it, as air circulation and ventilation are typically slower indoors. This can cause the plant's leaves to become dull and droopy. Regarding watering schlumbergera, it's essential to avoid allowing water to remain inside the plant. If the ambient temperature or the drainage of your soil and pot causes excess water to accumulate, increase the efficiency of your watering W. Furthermore, plants with hairy leaves like certain types of African violets are also sensitive to water spraying. Water may remain on their hairs and cause damage and moisture-related issues. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends so that others can benefit from this information.